Assalamu alaikum, Lem, your host, Naveed Ahmed. Today I am very excited to explain achievements of All Pakistan Numberdar Association registered. This is why you need to know about the All Pakistan Nambardar Association. They're the backbone of rural governance in Pakistan. The All Pakistan Nambardar Association is the largest registered network of Nambardars in the country. With 12 sub-branches and over 9 websites, they've got a formidable online presence. From YouTube to TikTok, they're everywhere. Headquartered in Islamabad, Rawalpindi, this organization is steered by a team of seasoned professionals. And they've got top-notch lawyers handling all their documents and legal affairs. Talk about being prepared. Nambardars, also known as Numberdars, are loyal representatives of the state and government. They work tirelessly for the public good in their communities. Whether it's resolving disputes or supporting local initiatives, they're always on the front line. Their official website and several TV channels, including Nambardar TV and Numberdar TV, keep everyone informed and connected. So next time you see a Nambardar, remember, they're not just local leaders. They're the heart and soul of Pakistan's rural governance. Follow them online and stay tuned for more.